Hey guys, let's see how to set up the Tapo C210 on an iPhone. As you can see, I have the camera ready to go. You just need to get the camera out of the box, connect to the power supply, and you see the LED here, it starts flashing red and green, so the camera is ready to go. If your camera is not like this, you just need to come here, move the lens up, and press this reset button, okay? Just press and hold for some time, the camera is going to reset and be ready with the LED flashing that way. That's the first thing that you have to check. And then you just go to the App Store. As long as you have your phone connected to the internet, you come here to the App Store and look for the Tapo app. So just insert here Tapo and install this one, TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. Then after the installation, you just need to create an account, create a password, and then you can log in with your account and password and you're good to go. I've already done that, so I just need to click here to open, and I'm gonna see my Tapo app with all my devices. You see here that I have a lot of Tapo devices. In your case, if it is the first time that you're installing a Tapo app, you're setting up a Tapo camera, you're not gonna see other devices here. You're just gonna see a button to add a new device, okay? So just click the button and start adding the camera. Or you can just come here to the top and hit this plus signal, add device, indoor camera. In this case, I'm looking for the Tapo C210, so I just come down, look for the camera, there we go, Tapo C210. And I just confirm here that I have the LED flashing red and green, confirm. And now I just need to connect the cell phone directly to the camera. I'm not connecting the camera to the router right now. I'm connecting to the cell phone first. So I just come here to the Wi-Fi and look for the signal that is Tapo Cam something. It's not here yet. You just need to keep refreshing. Sometimes it takes a long time to find it. I've seen take up to 2 minutes. Okay, there we go, Tapo Cam. So be patient if it's not there, just keep refreshing. Then you come back here to the app and just observe here this animation, the camera connecting to the cell phone, which I mean is good. And now your cell phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to. In this case, I have my Wi-Fi here, 2.4 gigahertz. You need to have this band available on your router, okay? 2.4 gigahertz. If your router has only 5 gigahertz enabled, it's not gonna work. Just make sure that you have 2.4 enabled there as well. You can just reselect here and look for your router, okay? Here I have the 10 password for my router, ready to go. I just hit next, confirm here, wait for it to connect.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, so here a message that's connecting to the Wi-Fi and it's connected. So basically now the camera is connecting directly to the router using the password and it's good to go. But you just need to observe here the LED. LED needs to change from steady red to steady green, okay? There we go, there's this chime and the LED changes here to steady green. And here you see the Tapo name. You can just change the name the way you want. I will leave like this, Tapo C210, hit next, select a location, next again, and here I can select an icon, next again, and it's complete, sounds good. And here you can try the 30-day trial here for the cloud storage. I'm going to dismiss this for a while. Got it. And here there's the information for the SD card. You need to insert a class 10 SD card with 8 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes. That's the capacity. And you need to have a good SD card. I'll leave the link here in the description for a good SD card for this camera because the camera has high resolution and needs to use a fast SD card to record, okay? Otherwise, you're gonna lose some footage. So here you can insert the SD card. Just move the lens up. And here's the location for the SD card. I already have one here, okay? Then insert it there, move it back, and then you can format your SD card, right? So just hit here, got it. Here's the firmware update. The camera is going to update the firmware between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. I hit got it, and it's ready to go. I see the camera available here, and you can just test it, right? Let me just put the camera back there so you can see the street and the motion there. And just tap here on the Tapo C210, and I can see live video from the camera, okay? So here's the information about the SD card. I just hit here, got it, or I can just go directly to the settings, and here you see that I can come to the storage and recordings and take a look at the SD card that I have there, right? Right now the SD card is good, but the first time that I install an SD card, you just need to come here and format and make sure that I have loop recording. Let me just format my SD card here. Just wait for it to finish. You see here, depending on the size of the SD card, it will take longer. Format successfully, I'm good to go. Loop recording is going to record and delete old videos that it's available on the SD card and just record the new ones, okay? So it's going to have this cycle, always recording new videos and deleting the old ones. So it's good. And you just need to come back here and also check the recording schedule. So as you can see, I have detection recording for everything based on this color. If I want to record continuously, I can just add it here, and I can paint anything that I want here to record continuously, okay? If it's white, that's not recording, okay? Let me just do this here, for example, with white to see it's not recording here. It's just up to me if I want to select to not record, or for continuous recording, or detecting motion recording, right? Let me just cancel. I'm not gonna save this. Just come back. And here also you just need to check the detection. If it's enabled here for this area, so it's enabled here. And I have motion detection, person, camera, tampering. This one is when somebody blocks the camera triggers an alarm if you have alarm enabled, and can also record and show you that is recorded based on camera tampering. And you also have baby crying. The camera has a microphone and you can hear a baby crying and record here, or even give you a notification, okay? So everything is good here. Motion detection can also adjust the sensitivity here from 1 to 10. It comes here with 6, which is good, but you can test and see what works better for you. It's also available here for the person detection. And you come back here, you can also enable alarm if you want to. So it's going to detect somebody approaching the camera, and it's going to trigger the alarm with sound and also light. You can choose only light, only sound, or sound and light. And it's ready to go, okay? And basically here it's working, and you can just explore here the interface and see what else it's available here, okay? The pen tilt is working as well, so I can just move the camera from here, and I can just create presets and create a patrol, panoramic view, and things like this, okay? So basically that's the way you can set up your camera on an iPhone. Super simple. Just download the Tapo app, start the camera, and follow the steps here, and you're good to go. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.